guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. You don't please punch anybody's face. Just punch that subscribe button. So this is how to make Duck G from Squid Game. First, you need paper, of course. And now you need to fold it like this. And fold it like this. Okay, like this, like that, and like that. It should look like this. So, and you put it, and you copy this other one with the same one. And you put it here. And that here. And this here. And this there. Oops. And now do that. And it should look like this. And now we put it here. This here. And now this one here. Mine looks a bit wonky though. And just ignore it. So, and done. It's a bit wonky, but it's done. Sometimes yours could be wonky too. It's broken. But here it is. Duck G. Bye.